We're almost at New Year's Eve. Welcome to the video. This is another giveaway. This time it's for another thing from Menace RC. Now, those of you that watch the channel see Menace RC antennas an awful lot, and I've already given away quite a few things. Big thank you to Menace for supporting this and doing this with me on the channel for Christmas, just to provide a bit of fun during this lull between Christmas and New Year. Now, I've already given away a couple of antenna packs, so do check out those giveaways. This time it's for something a little bit different. This time it's something called a wing pack. It's not really a thing, but I love the idea that Greg came up with. So this time it's for an aeropod, for some cob LEDs and an RC switch. So this time you can add an antenna onto your model that isn't going to be stuck out in airflow, and you can also add some very, very bright LEDs that you can control from your flight controller out on the back of the model, or wherever you want actually. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.